Engine 17, report of a wire down at 3372 Sanford Road. That one is Ocean 14-4 at 903.
Thank you, Al.
I'm out with another vehicle in the ditch, 1900 block of Sandbridge.
Careful, sir. 0911.
I have an accident, property damage, Laskin Road, Freemac Drive, near zone, Blue Ford Ranger on eastbound Laskin in the ditch. No injury.
Something out with the vehicle that's spun out and is in the median South Independence, Windsor Oaks.
Silver 943.
Okay, we're out here on the beach at 3200 block. The visibility is very, very poor. At this point, we don't see anybody in the water anywhere.
Okay, I'm going to give the callback number a ring.
6. Give me at Town Center and Main Street. I got an off-duty officer's vehicle stuck.
10-4, Groveland and 58 responding.
We have 100 yards of cable down on the ground. Can you stand by to copy a pole number?
10-4, go ahead.
Yankee Delta 15. It's on a dead-end street off of Muddy Creek.
Ramp getting on to Northampton from Shore Drive to go towards Norfolk is pretty much impassable. If you want to advise VDOT, they need to get a truck out here. I got 4 vehicles in the ditch right here, and I can't get down.
I am currently stuck at 726 Orange Drive off of Lindbergh Landing.
At Providence and Princess Anne, now the tow truck is stuck. He has another tow truck on the way to help him, and I believe there has been a crash at South Plaza and Independence, and I'm en route for that.
4 back.
4A.
We're unable to respond. We're stuck in some snow. Can you send another unit?
10-4. 1, copy responding. Clayton believes there's a cable line in the middle of the road causing a traffic hazard. Kids are playing with it.
Vehicle in a ditch by the construction on Princess Anne.
Plays us en route to a miscellaneous call for a tree that's fallen against the wire, 532 Sterling.
In the ditch, we got more cars in the ditch up on the off-ramp coming off from Northampton on the shore, and now one of my tow trucks is stuck trying to get one of the other vehicles out. I was wondering if maybe we could get a couple of evening shift guys up here so we could start thinking about getting out of here.
1, I copy responding to 2741 Broad Bay Road in Bay Island. Complainant advises that there are 3 wires down in the front yard of the case location. So they can see a light burst coming out of them.
They're there in such a way that unless somebody's got some shovels to dig a little bit out where they can get some traction, they're going to need somebody to pull them. Otherwise, you're going to damage the truck.
So how much snow have we seen so far? Here's some of the snow totals from across the area, right at the 1-foot mark for Suffolk and Norfolk. And in Norfolk, that's where we keep the records out there. And interesting enough, so far, we are now the second snowiest December on record in Norfolk. The second snowiest on the list. We still have a little bit of ways to go to make the top of the charts, but we are on our way there. 13 inches for Portsmouth and Chesapeake and Newport News, 11 inches for Hampton and Virginia Beach. Across the region, sitting at 17 inches for Jackson, North Carolina. Update coming in there not too long ago. 13 inches for Yorktown and Exmoor, 14 for Moyock, 12 for Smithfield. And
yes, guys, just spoke with the Department of Public Works, and they tell me that the city of Virginia Beach has declared a state of emergency. They're urging everybody to stay off the roads. Here's what's happening. Essential personnel only report as of 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. All city offices and facilities, including the clerk's offices as well as courts, are closed to the public. And again, they're hoping everybody stays off the roads.
Would you believe that that is Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina?
Yeah, that's the beach. The Outer Banks not looking so beachy today at all. Well, hey guys, as you can see, I don't know if you can or not, but it is still snowing here in Suffolk. However, it's the fact that the wind is picking up that's really making it still feel like blizzard conditions out here. Now, if you take a look behind me, this is Interstate 664. Not a lot of cars out there right now, but any cars we have seen driving by have been driving very slowly. And that's because even lanes on the interstate aren't completely cleared of snow right now. And that's got a lot of folks making the right decision to stay home today. While it might look pretty, the snow created some ugly conditions on the roadways, forcing many to stay home today.
Well, we've pretty much sat inside and looked out the back window and kind of just hibernated. We haven't gone out and done anything.
It was slow going for cars on I-664 as well as folks driving through neighborhood intersections.
1,000 flights have been canceled at LaGuardia, JFK, and Newark airports alone. The NFL has postponed tonight's game between the Eagles and the Vikings because of the storm. And by far, emergency officials from North Carolina to New England, they're urging people to stay off those roadways.
From Portsmouth into Norfolk, still closed at this hour. If you're headed into Portsmouth, that's still open, but they say travel with extreme caution as we look live at the Skycam 3 network.
Absolutely. This is 464 southbound near the M&M. And now we're going to 264 at Effingham. You can see that nobody's on the roads, folks. There's just a few people, and we hope those are people who really need to get somewhere. But when we talked to VDOT, Nora Shiver said, really, if you don't have to be out there, don't go out, because they are working hard right now. I think they've got about 85 crews out right now. You know, they're going on to the second shift. These folks have been working since yesterday, tirelessly, trying to get these roads cleared, especially before work starts tomorrow.
Yeah, a lot of people are going to be interested to watch the morning show tomorrow morning to see what kind of, number one, traffic delays, and number two, if they actually have work tomorrow, because travel probably still not advised. And, of course, we will keep you posted here on News Channel 3 Live. Look here at some of the areas around the peninsula. And this is some video driving down 264 near Broad Creek there earlier this morning when we spotted the light rail, the Tide, running, doing a little test run.
Yeah, you know, as we've been reporting for many months now, Norfolk is working on getting light rail to open here in Hampton Roads next year. And so, hey, they want to start seeing whether this thing is going to work if we do have snow, which I think is a good idea.
Yeah, it certainly is. And it looks like the tests are going well there. So if you happen to see that and wondering what was going on, that's what it was. Rough go here at Norfolk along St. Paul's. This is a video that came into us a little while ago.
815 headquarters.
815.
Hey, can you notify LIPA and let them know we got 2 poles that are leaning now, and they're starting to lean even more. I advise 708 not to come down here. I'm getting stuck in areas, so I'm checking out the wires. It's impassable.
10-4. Negative, but I'll put phone notify. C6.
302 standing by. You need me up there? Nah, I need some equipment up here. People have been stuck here since last night. Hold on for. That's over here too. I want to make sure there's no patients in it. TMC ready. You need a plow? You need tows? I could use a plow, I could use a pay order, and get me some tow trucks. A couple people have cracked rims, and a couple people are pretty deep off into the grass. 10-4. For a male with his legs stuck in a snowblower, I think it's 24 Crocus Avenue, North Merrick.
Affirmative. Take it on 0941.